Hello, my name is Mrs. John. I'm from Nigeria, an Igbo teacher. I teach Igbo language as my profession. I graduated from University of Nigeria, Nsukka in the year 1999, and I've been teaching Igbo language since 2023. I've been so happy, so glad to teach this language. But my driving force in teaching Igbo language is I find out that my people doesn't speak the language as it should. Most of my people abroad, some of them have married some non-Igbos, some whites, and some from other countries. And I noticed that the language is no more vibrant as it should. So this is what prompted me to start this online class, to help my people to speak our language, to help our people, our children, our wives that are not from Igbo land to start speaking this language, because it's a great advantage. It will help them to know their roots. Some of our people that are no more in our land have forgotten our culture, our tradition, and our custom. So I am here to remind them, to teach them the culture, the tradition, and the custom of Igbo people. This will help them to think home, because we are Igbo people. Dịka m kwuru, aha m bụ Odoziakụ John. Abịara m ka m kụziere ndị be anyị ka esi asụ asụsụ Igbo. Ọ ga-abụ anyị sụchaa, ụmụ anyị asụba, maka na asụsụ Igbo ga-eto eto ma gbaa mgbọrọgwụ. Asụsụ Igbo agaghị anwụ, ọ ga-eto eto ma gbaa mgbọrọgwụ. So ana m agwa onye Igbo ọbụla, ebe ọbụla ị nọ, ka ị bịa sonyere anyị na this online Igbo class, maka na ọ ga-enyere anyị niile aka, ma ụmụ anyị, ka anyị nwee ike ịsụ asụsụ Igbo, maka na nke a bụ nke anyị. Ndewonu.